Good evening, students. Welcome to our National Public School. Today, we'll discuss about the poem Festival of Light. This is written by David Harmer. He was born in 1952. The poem is about a festival called Diwali. This is celebrated by Hindus. The Festival of Light is also called Rose of Lighted Lamps. It is celebrated taken in the month of October or November in English calendar, or Kartik Mas in Bengali. Okay, now I am reading the text. All of you have to listen to me very carefully. First line: Winter stalks us like a leopard in the mountain, scenting prey. The festival of light is happened in winter. Winter approaches very slowly. A leopard in the mountain comes to hold prey very secretly, very slowly. Like a leopard, winter comes. It grows dark. It grows dark. Bare trees stick black bars. It means winter comes and winter is darker than summer, and the festival of light is happened in the evening. So the evening is dark at that time. Trees, many of trees are seen barely. They have no leaves or leaves very rare qualities. So we can see the branches of the tree like birds. Okay, at night the branches of the trees are seen as dark and bars. Next, across the moon's silver eye, at night we can see at that time the moon. The moon is silver. The moon has silver eye. It means that the moon appears like a circle, and the color of the circle is silver, and it seems to be an eye. Okay, I'll light my lamp for you, Lakshmi. Now the poet says that he will light his lamp for the goddess Lakshmi. the Hindu goddess of wealth, property. Okay, drive away the darkness, and the poet now prays to the goddess to drive away the darkness, and the poet thus wants a light and happy. Okay, these 8 lines are given today. All of the students have to write at first the title of the poem and then the name of the poet David Harmer, and after that all of you have to write 8 lines of the poem. Okay, and I will take in future the poem orally, and I will give some questions, and all of you have to give answers. Okay, good.